I've tried to make this video a bit conversational. My earlier videos, I was just simply narrating in them, but I've decided to make the videos more lively by making it conversational. Actually, the last few months have been insane, and the death of three very popular celebrities, is a part of that. They have passed away so soon. Nobody could have imagined that these three people would go away so soon from our lives and create such a void in the world. Life, of course, isn't fair sometimes, and truth, indeed, becomes stranger than fiction. Two of them was really unavoidable, but one was really unfortunate. Guys, we tend to have such a narrow-mindedness when it comes to life. We seem to give importance to things that are really trivial when we see the wider picture. Life is precious and beautiful always. Instead of being grateful for the things that we have, for the things that we have accomplished, we tend to forget them and repent on the bad decisions that we have made, or the opportunities or the situations that are currently encircling you. He committed suicide at the age of 34. Actually, this seems so surprising to me, given the fact that he has worked in such beautiful movies and he had become such a popular face in the industry. The industry is really evolving with the streaming platforms coming into existence and the YouTube phenomenon. I don't think that one should give much importance to the existing industry circle or the films being made there. There are so many opportunities when we see the viewership of the audience. So many abundant opportunities exist in today's world. Endless possibilities. And even if that doesn't work, or just imagine that all the doors to the film industry or entertainment industry is closed, there is still so much to life, so many things of wonder and awe in life. Things are only increasing day by day, like travel, nature is so beautiful. There are really, if you see, so many things to explore, so much to life than just entertainment. I wish so extremely that he should have given it a thought at least once with clear mind, or in a correct state of mind. If he had done that even once, he would have seen so many doors, so many open doors in today's world. But it's the harsh reality of life that you can't redo any moment. Wish you all a very beautiful life ahead. Have a wonderful journey. Have an adventurous journey. And cherish your life throughout. Always be happy. Take care.